Guangzhou, Tang Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of aroma diffuser and essential oil since 2014. Located in Guangzhou, China. We integrates research and development, production, sales with OEM service. Tonami Aroma, our brand, including ultrasonic and two-fluid diffusers, are certified by CE, ROS, EMC, FCC to meet international quality requirements with competitive price. Management System ISO 9001. Strict quality inspect for raw material, semi-finished product, finished product, inspection before packing. Tonami Aroma diffusers cover from 50 cubic meters to 7,000 cubic meters. Applied to hotels, offices, stores, houses, washrooms, cars, shopping malls, other areas with fragrance demand. With intelligent button control, mobile app control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, with professional team to guide you how to set and use. Tonami Aroma diffuser essential oils include perfumery, woody, floral, fruity smells, more than 100 aromas with MSDS, SGS test report. Free samples available. 8 years experience, high pursuit of product quality. Tonami Aroma diffusers and essential oils are widely exported to Europe, America, Asia, Mideast, such as 20 feet container, 40 feet container. Besides existing production line and products, we are developing new models. Customize aromatherapy solution for different clients with distinctive requirements. We are looking for agents, distributors worldwide. We would like to invite you to be our partner to reach brilliant business success.